What's good, YouTube? Mike here again, along with Dennis. You can see his back right now, if you guys are wondering. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick tech video, just because there's a lot of people that buy stuff off like Facebook, Craigslist, while this guy is wrenching away with this. Anyway, we want to do a quick tech video to show you how to check out a used transmission. This is a used B-Series LS hydro transmission. We wanted to kind of, I'm gonna do this quick tech video so that you don't get jacked when you try to buy this mystery transmission that you're thinking like, okay, is it good, is it bad? Supposedly this has a slight grind. We wanna show you what to look for so that you're not like just pretending you know what you're looking for and you end up buying a trash transmission. So we're opening this up right now. Let's continue. So Dennis, what happened was, all the bottom bolts were like what was it like? It was like
torqued harder than some head studs I've done. It's crazy.
We used this impact and it wouldn't take it off. It's the wall impact. So we were, but the top ones were loose.
All the top ones are loose.
Awesome.
It's like they try to stop a leak on the bottom. It's weird. And there's a lot of silicone on it.
Of course.
Supposedly this came from the east side. So.
East side? Okay.
We'll see.
So they don't like Honda Bond. They used a aftermarket RTV or RVT sealant. I don't know the difference. So we're removing all the surrounding bolts here, B-Series. If you guys are wondering, there's no LSD. There's a pin here you can't go through. If you can go all the way through, then it has LSD. Quick, easy way to check.
Yep. Oh, wait, no.
So you gotta take these out.
Oh, there it is. This little ball can ruin your whole day.
Oh yeah, those can ruin your whole day. You can't shift.
You can't shift. You don't want them rattling around. I've already made the mistake of having them in the wrong hole. And there's one more.
Right. Wow. And that is a gangster battery too. It's fully charged. Look at this bad boy. 20 volts. Nope, nope.
That ain't gonna come off. Give me an impact.
If you guys are wondering, this is Bertha right here.
Oh, the detent won't allow it. No.
No. Hey, extension. All right. This is the casualty of every import guy right here. This little
the C clip.
This little C clip here. So if you're wondering, needle nose.
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks gooey in there. Hello.
Try it. Oh my god.
Yes!
Dude, whatever they did here was not the business.
Of course it would be like this. You better break that thing.
I'm just trying to pry it up and get it up on all the corners.
You're ruining the mating surface.
I still gotta break that C-clip, that's why, but I got it pried open. This is the most annoying clip though, is this one.
Yeah, here you go.
Oh man.
You gotta get a friend.
Go.
For those of you who don't have friends, I'm sorry.
Yeah, this has some old fluid in it. I hate the smell of tranny fluid.
I know, man. It smells like freaking.
It smells so bad.
It smells like Dissy. There we go. Good?
I think so.
Dissy. No one knows what that means. Only if you're from the old school. What if it was a GSR?
I'd be happy. The only way we'd know is to count teeth, right?
Yeah, no. Well, there's little linings on the final drive. These little. It could be just a GSR diff. I mean, it just sucks, bro. I know.
Yeah.
Keep spread them cheeks.
Gotta spread them.
Some love. So this bearing right here, that's the old. We had that in one of the Widow's old. This is like an old style, like
roller
angular,
frame.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a roller.
That's why I'm like, ooh, shoiksta. All right, let's see here. Okay, maybe that's why I was grinding. Look at that thing.
Yeah, it's reversed, isn't it?
The sleeve for
As far as the other gears, though.
They don't look that bad, honestly. So.
And it's moving freely.
They don't look. You gotta make sure you guys are looking for teeth.
Yep.
You gotta make sure the teeth are missing teeth. Check the magnet. Check the magnet real quick.
Yeah, it's all gooed up.
It's all good up. Is that Oh no! Wipe it on the
freaking-
box. Is that metal? Wipe it on the box.
No, it's gunked up.
It's just,
freaking-
well, at least it's not like metal shavings. So you guys want to check this magnet right here to make sure that if there is any metal shavings, it's a tall tale sign like something's wrong.
Stuck in there.
This is a very gunked up, but
It is.
just wipe it down to see if there's any metal in it. This is equivalent to having like a the magnetic drain plug to kind of see like. No?
A little bit.
There's a little bit, but I could
probably
tell
that
it's
reverse
probably
gear.
from that bad boy here, which is like a slider.
It's not even a major thing. Usually it's second or third.
That is where everything. That's why it's like, dude, it grinds when I hit when I turn it into reverse. And get a close up of it. You can see that there's some wear on the teeth. These should be pointed like an arrow. These bottom ones, not the synchro that looks like gold. Look at the gold synchros as well.
It's not too bad though. I thought this
not too
training would
bad.
be worse. Honestly, I thought I was gonna expect a lot more metal shaving.
Yeah, I mean it's
Hit or miss, right? This side looks really good though.
some people actually would like sand these down and
Yeah,
like kind of file them. I mean, if you have the time and you don't have a replacement part, then that's a way to go and change the synchros. But other than that, man,
No, the gears themselves.
The
look
gears
good.
are
It's
not
just the synchro
bad.
and sliders. Yeah, so you can see that this is the most. This is the most. You can see how silver it is right there. This is the most damage that I've seen. Everything else though, aside from that, maybe up here. No, these are pretty rounded out too.
yeah. If you guys are wondering,
So
this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. If you guys are wondering, typically you're not going to see like crazy damage on fifth gear. It's probably going to be the one that you're going to compare fifth gear to pretty much third and second is mostly ones that you're going to find abuse on. All right, here you go. We found a spring. This spring is connected to the synchro, so you're gonna have to find the missing spring. It's probably I think it's this one. It's fifth.
could be.
So you can see this. You see this little thing right there? Well, this is this, and I believe it might be for fifth. Is that they're even the right bolt? They put the wrong bolt there. That looks like an 8mm.
What?
Guys, it's
Probably
not that
why it
hard.
was grinding. I don't even know, dude.
Bro, tell me. Oh my gosh. Look at this 8mm. Hopefully it's like the right.
bolt. Holy.
Bolts, guys. Tall tale sign. Run away.
Oh, it's not even a 9.
3/8.
3/8. Oh, it is a wrong bolt. They jammed it in there.
Oh my gosh! Swear, bro. Guys, they use like a sheet metal.
It's a self-tapper.
They use a self. Okay.
Not
They
bad.
didn't. They drilled it into the casing?
Yeah, so that means that 10 probably stripped.
No, well, no. And I mean, did they go
Yeah,
through
they
the
drilled
case?
straight to the casing. That's this hole right here. That's where they drilled into.
Guys, you don't do this.
Yeah, that's a negatory.
That's a They didn't go through the case, right?
Nah.
It's probably thinned out. Guys, they
Wow.
just Healy coil. So I would recommend replacing this.
Check.
There is a synchro that is missing one of its retention springs. I don't even know what it's called, a retention spring. There's
There's a term for it.
a term for it somewhere. I gotta see. Like this might be. I gotta see. Maybe if it's.
GSR div. Hold on,
I gotta see it.
Don't you count the teeth?
Well, this is hydro, right? So it's not a cable.
That's hydro.
Let me check. They changed this bearing, I think, from the 94, 95s to 96 to 2000. It's a different one. It's the bearing, the enclosed bearing style. But anyway, guys, this is kind of the rundown of a used transmission. This is the problems that you're gonna find for like $100.
Bearings are good though.
Yeah, you spin them, you don't hear any like grittiness.
You don't feel any resistance.
You're
That's-
good.
Yeah, that's good. I don't have to replace.
You're
the
gonna
whole
measure
bearing
this.
kit.
You kind of look at the teeth of the diff. It looks good. Doesn't look like super abused here. one line. There's a thing you can look it up to see what. Some of them have two.
Yeah.
We gotta see. So
Or you just count the teeth.
but that's such a freaking hard ass thing to do.
You mark one and then you go around.
Oh gosh, if we had like a tool that did that, it would be freaking amazing. That is a used transmission. It's things to look for. Just to see like what normal wear or tear is like. You're gonna find that that's what you get when you buy a $100 transmission. Was this worth $100?
Hell yeah.
I think so. I think so. It wasn't like these gears were chewed the freak out. It's rebuildable. Would it have paid like $300? No, that's probably a ripoff. So anyway, guys, don't get screwed over on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and whatnot. Take the time to open it up, check the gears, and if they're good, you buy it. We might have an update, guys, on some news. Okay, we're gonna look at some updates right now. See the diff. All right, so if you go on Synchro Tech, they're actually going to show you how to identify the diff and the final drive, the ring on it. So if you look here, see that? There's one dash, and then if you look on the teeth on the countershaft, there is 3. So this is a GSR, my friend. You have a GSR. If you look here, good score, brother. Good score. See, only 2 dashes if that's an LS. 1 dash, 3 dashes on that, and we have $100, bro. GSR trans.
GSR.
Booyah.
Oh.
That's why it, once people paint the case, you're not gonna find this out. Anyway, guys, thank you, Synchrotech, for doing this little snazzy thing for you guys that want to identify Hydro B series transmission. My man just scored a GSR for $100. Score.